all are doing. So I am back with a new video, and if you are new to my channel, hi, my name is Mehak Khemka. Please consider subscribing to my channel, that would mean a lot to me. Now let's just come to this topic, like this video topic. So it's not a haul video, like pehle hi bata deti hu, it's not a haul video. So in today's video I'll be talking about top 10 things that you should buy from Amazon. So I'll show you the product that I love the most and I think every girl should have, and this is the must-have things from Amazon. So yeah, that I will be sharing with you guys in this today's video, and I'll link down all the product links in the description box, so you can just go and get your product through that link. And yeah, let's begin the video. So let's see what's the first product, and as usual I'll be starting off with my favorite thing, that is this mirror. Actually मैं इसको एकदम सामने से नहीं बताऊंगी क्योंकि there is a lot of mess behind me which I don't want to show you. So ऐसे ही देख लो. This is the mirror and this is how it looks. This looks so pretty. This was so useful, like anywhere I can do my makeup carrying this mirror, and this is so handy. Like also ये flexible भी है, like ये rotate हो जाता है as per our need, which is like wow. So this is how it looks, and this is, I think this is the must-have thing from Amazon for every girl. So the second must-have thing is also one of my favorite purchase, that is this hairpins. Look how cute this looks. Wait, I'll remove this plastic because lighting is coming. So look at this. This is how it looks, and here are the 5 pins. 5 pins, different, like थोड़ा different design है सबका, and also I love the black color, so that's the reason I got in black color. And this looks so pretty. Wait, I'll just wear and show it to you. So this is how it looks. We got 5 pins, but ये शायद थोड़ा सा costly था, but ये पूरा worth था. Like ये कहीं भी और नहीं मिलेगा. This designs are so unique, and yeah, I think you should spend your money on this because this is totally worth it. And let's jump to the third thing, which is this Rene Fab Face Nude. This is a 3-in-1 whatever you say lipstick. Actually इसमें lipstick, cheeks का tint or maybe cheeks का blush and eyeshadow 3-in-1 thing है, so I don't know what to call this. So I have applied this today. Like this is the lip shade. इसमें मैंने थोड़ा सा red mix किया, like a 2 shade बना दिया. So this is the lip shade. This is the cheeks one. I have applied it. ये बहुत like ये nude में है, so ये बहुत basic look देता है, but daily wear के लिए it's really very awesome. And eyes पे भी I have applied this eyeshadow, which is थोड़ा बहुत glittery. If you can see, I don't know camera पे it's visible or not, but दूर से you can see like it's shining little bit. So yeah, it's a nude shiny color, kind of something like that. And this is how it looks. The thing I don't like about it is like ये open है. If I open this, ये open है. So if like ये मेरे से कहीं ऐसे ऐसे हो गया तो ये पूरा टूट जाएगा. But anyways, ये you can see the shade. But the shades are really amazing. Let me show you the cheeks one. You need to be careful because ये थोड़ा सा भी यहाँ वहाँ हो गया टूट जाएगा. But I like the concept. That's the reason I got it, and I'm just loving it. This is for cheeks. I really like this cheeks wala thing because I used to apply red blush like every time, but now I am switching it to this orangish shade, which is so good. This is the eyeshadow. It's very easy to apply. I have never used this kind of creamy shade kind of eyeshadow, but this works for me and I think I'm just loving it. I'll give more try, like I'll buy more this kind of stuff because this is really awesome and totally worth the money. So this is how what Rene 3-in-1 thing looks like. So the next thing is something which is like so worth it, and I have been using this all day because I create videos. That's the reason it is useful for me, but it is useful to you as well. This is this background cloth. I got this white and black one together, and it was very reasonable, like one of the most reasonable thing I got. It was around 750 to 800, something like that. and the quality, I was so confused like इसका quality अच्छा होगा नहीं होगा, but luckily the quality was amazing. As you can see, the white one I am using right now, and here I have the black one. This cloth comes under a pouch, and if you are not into content creating but also like girls love to click pictures, right? So if you love to click pictures and want to create a nice background or maybe backdrop kind of thing, then you should definitely buy this, cause इससे तुम्हारे pictures बहुत अच्छे आएंगे. And definitely ये बहुत ज़्यादा reasonable है. That's the reason I'm recommending you, cause pictures खींचना सबको अच्छा लगता है. And एक background अच्छा होगा, so pictures बहुत अच्छे आएंगे. So yeah, I think you girls should buy this. The next thing I'm going to show you is this scrunchies. So पहले I was like नहीं, scrunchies इतने अच्छे नहीं होते. I was not that sure about scrunchies. But as soon as I started using this, really इससे hair fall नहीं होता. I don't know what's the logic behind this कि इससे hair fall seriously नहीं होता. So that's the reason I just love it, and I thought let's buy it from Amazon. So this is थोड़ा सा costly, but let me tell you, अगर costly है तो थोड़ा बहुत तो like quality में फ़र्क आता है, and you could see that. And that's the reason I like it. I got this in 3 colors. Wait, I'll show you. So these are the 3 colors I got it, and I think this is the must-have thing. Like, if not this, but I think you should start using scrunchies, cause उससे really hair fall कम होते हैं. Next up is this hairpins again. So this is the cute butterfly hairpins. Wait, I'll remove so you can see it properly. So yeah, this is the hairpins I got from Amazon. Actually, I got it 2. As you can see, one more. Cause इसमें सिर्फ एक ही colors, मतलब एक color का एक ही pins है, and I like to apply it like this, दोनों side. So that's the reason I got it one more. So like I can use it both the side. And this is how it looks. This is so pretty, and I think ये बच्चों पे भी बहुत cute लगेगा. So yes, this is how you can use it, and it's looking so pretty. I like it. So that's the reason I got it. Now I'm just obsessed with hairpins, and that's the reason I'm buying different types of hairpin and just experimenting with it. So that's the reason I got it, and it was very reasonable. So now let's jump to the next thing, that is this Havells 5-in-1 hairstyling kit. I have already made a separate video using this and showing all the things you need to know about this product. So you can go and watch that video and just get an idea about this thing, and I will not talk much about it. I think you should go and watch that video. I'll link down that in the description box, and also iska link in the description box. Also, it was a girly edition of Amazon must have, and I think hairdressing is something everyone loves to use, so I thought let's include this in my Amazon must have things. And yeah, let's jump to the next thing. So the next thing is something very unusual, but I think this was the must-have thing. And this is a blouse in a shimmer material. And let me tell you, this is something very useful for each and every girl, cause I think girls love to wear sari. Personally, I just love to wear saris, and मैं जितने girls को जानती हूँ 99% everyone loves to wear sari. So it's not possible like every साड़ी का every blouse होना चाहिए. तो we should have like a similar kind of blouse जो हर एक साड़ी पे we can repeat it. Like personally I do the same thing, cause मुझे किसी के blouse नहीं आते. I can't just stitch my own blouse every time like for every साड़ी. So that's the reason this kind of blouse is something you can just multi-use it. And this was very reasonable, around 300 something. And इसका chest is something 34 or 32. I just need to get it altered for my size, and the quality is amazing. Also, you can just buy it, cause this is something I wanted to include in this top 10 must-have things. And the quality and everything, I just love it. उसके पास sizes available नहीं थे Amazon पे, but definitely colors available थे. Like this is in the coffee something shimmer, but वहाँ पे golden, silver, black, all of that was available. And I got this coffee one because I just like this one. I don't know why. And yeah, I think you should buy this. So let's jump to the next thing, which is totally worth it, and even right now I am using it. That is this light. Wait, I'll show it to you. I need to off it. Wait, I'll just show you the difference when I off this light. So you can see the difference. yeah, I'll show it to you once again. So this is this light. Wait, I'll just off it. So this is this light, and let me tell you, this is so useful for your photos, or maybe you are having a function at your place or anything. Like, this is a multi-use thing. This comes under this box, and it is 50 volt ka, just whatever you say, brick light, and we have multiple colors. Like, we have this remote. So this is the remote. Like, we have red color, green color, blue color, and all of the system you can just adjust accordingly whatever you want. So it's a good light for photo shoot or maybe any kind of function, cause like this was very reasonable. This was for 350 rupees, and there is like no wire attached to it. I have got it attached. Like, ये सिर्फ इतना सा wire आता है, and you just need to attach the wire. And I just got this wire done for 100 rupees, and this was for 350 rupees. So I think 450 में मेरा पूरा काम हो गया था. And this light is really doing magic to all my photos, and also like कोई भी function. Like recently अभी गणपति था, तो we have used this light for our function, and this was like doing magic to our decoration. And yeah, that's the reason I think this is the must-have things for, I think, girls, boys, everybody. And yeah. By this we come to the end of our video, and there is only the last product that I want to show you in this video. That is this hair mask, which is from Wow. Personally, I am not promoting the Wow brand, but this hair mask is something I think you should definitely try. I have been using this since a year, and this is my second purchase. Hair masks are usually very costly, but this is like literally very reasonable for 500, this much. I'll show it to you. The smell is really too good. I could smell this all day, and yeah, I just love this hair mask so much. मैंने already शायद पहले भी एक कोई वीडियो में इसके बारे में कहा है, I think so. But personally, I'm telling you, you should try this hair mask cause they are really worth it, and you will not regret. So this was the top 10 thing that I think you should buy from Amazon, cause personally I just love all of these things and they are too useful. So I thought let's make a video and share it with you guys. And if you like this, make sure to hit the like button, comment and share your views. Share it with your friends, and I'll be seeing you in next video. Till then, please go and subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. Also, keep watching my video, and yeah, bye.